Hello everybody, it's Linnea. Happy New Year, and hope you've had a lovely time yesterday with whatever you decided to do for New Year's Eve. I did a lovely video of this trifle, and all of a sudden it decided it was going to go into slow motion. Now I hope this one isn't slow motion. If it is, I just don't know what to do. But here it is, it's completely finished. I mixed the mascarpone with the custard and till it's smooth. Then you put that on the trifle, whip your cream up, put that on top, and then use amaretto biscuits, crushed. I just do them with my hands, crush them, and then put those on top, and then I always put grated chocolate of your choice on. I'm really upset about this, that it was a 10-minute video and it started going into slow motion after the first couple of minutes. Why, I don't know. So I'll make another part 2 next year if anybody can wait that long. But hope that explains it, and I wanted to show you how it turned out. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you shortly. Bye.